What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to put together this bench grinder I got for Christmas. It's Dewalt DW758. Oh my lord! It's Dewalt DW758 8-inch bench grinder. So, kind of started looking at the directions here. It's about clear as mud, so we'll see how it works. Tool rest is what I'm doing first. Is what's first in the instructions. So there's a bag of parts. The tool rests kind of go down here. It's what you rest your part on or whatever that you're grinding down. So here goes nothing. I is a spring washer. Alright, spring washer. Spring washer. J is a flat washer. And then you have your bolt, which is H, it says here. H is the hex bolt, which is, what size is this? 10 millimeter. So the hex bolt is 10 millimeter. Got a spring washer. Got a regular flat washer. K, external tooth washer. I'm assuming that's what that thing is. Again, probably can't see it real well. And then I guess a nut at the end of it. So bolt, spring washer, flat washer, bolt, spring washer, flat washer through this hole. Through that hole. This hole. Right there. And then this bracket. Wait, what do we need now? Need the spring washer? Or not the spring washer, the, what did they call that? External tooth washer. If I don't lose it. Your bracket. Which doesn't seem to just to slide through. So it does have threads inside of this hole. I'm assuming this is a 10 millimeter. The nut on the other end is a 10 millimeter. And then, let's see here. I don't know if you can see it, but there are two holes here that you can put bolts or whatever. And then it will go here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see here. Figure out how to use my camera, maybe. Anyway. Hole here, hole here. I don't know if you can see it, but maybe a light. Yeah, there's two holes. They're shoulder bolts. Looks like you use J, which was a flat washer for both of them. I'd Loctite this stuff down, but I don't know what I'm going to have to end up having to loosen and tighten and whatever else. I think all this stuff is adjustable. It should be, so. don't think I want to use any Loctite. The only thing I can't do today is mount it to the bench because I don't have the bolts. I just was cleaning up the garage and decided to put it together because it was one of the things that was in the way and needed to clean up. So there's one of them done. So the other side's the exact same. So we'll do that real quick. Bolt, spring washer, flat washer, inside the hole, what was that again? Man, external tooth washer. Yep, there's that. And then the bracket. Why do I think that's on wrong? Why do I think that's on wrong? Because it is. Don't put it on upside down like I just did. That is upside down. Got to go the other way. So there's that. Flat washer again. Oh no, I'm sorry. It doesn't not get that flat washer. Dang. I guess the directions are pretty clear after all. That'll go on just like the other one. I don't think you need to see that. Yeah. I guess learn how to use a socket at some point in time in your life, because it appears I still need to. Alright, there's the tool rests. The next thing to do is the eye guards, which gets these brackets. Somewhere I have another one of these. I can't. Oh, there it is. Got that. And we got the knobs and stuff for it. So we'll see where that stuff goes. Probably up here at the top where there's two holes. All right. So the eye guards will go there. Eye shields. Eye shields are not to replace safety glasses. So these are not, you have to wear safety glasses. Always wear safety goggles. These brackets, these are left to right side, so there's an L underneath, obviously left and R for right, but so that these do make a difference what side they go on. The eye shields doesn't appear to be like that. So, well, the brackets say left and right.
What you got?
The grinder that you bought me for Christmas.
What are you grinding?
Nothing, I'm just putting it together to get it out of the way.
Oh.
So, the best way to get it out of the way is put it together. Yeah. The bracket sits like this. I don't know why it's got that big slot in it, but anyway. Sits like that. And it gets one of the bolts, 10 millimeter, and a washer. I don't know, I'm just gonna pull them up all the way so they're not grinding, I guess. I don't know what the big grooves are in there for, and it's not like you can bring it down any. So there's that. So you got an adjustable piece, a thumb screw, you have a little washer that goes over that. That is a washer. You put, then you got a spacer. Then you got the guard itself, and I'm assuming so. This side has a spot for the nut in it, so it won't. You don't need a tool for that side. So we'll do the other side. Let's see if we can even take you over there to the other side. Oops. Nope, not to my ugly face. Here's the other side. Thumb screw, washer. Spacer. Don't forget to put. You have to put the nut in there. Really, that is it. Oops, let's go back, and then just put together. I want to kick it on real quick. Works. So the next thing I can do is go buy bolts and mount it to the table. Somewhere out here. Somewhere. It does have a it has a template that you can lay down and know where to drill the holes at. So there's that. It's the very last page of the booklet. So I think it tells you the size of the 3/8 inch holes. That's it. Maybe we'll catch you if I can find some bolts. I'll come back to you. Alright everybody, I am back from getting the hardware to mount this. So the holes in it are the hole that you got to drill is 3/8, but like there's the template for it. So I'm not going to use the template really. I'm just going to see how bad I can mess it up by measuring and drilling my own holes. So anyway, we'll do that. So I think I'm going to bring it back about an inch from the edge or so, and then mount it that way. Let's get to it. Oh. 3/8 bolts, washers, and nuts. Also, just FYI. Shot back. All right, now to see how bad I did. 3/8 bolts, take 9/16 socket, or the ones I got to do anyway. So we'll see. I'll just show you what I'm doing real quick. Putting the bolts through the holes and hopefully into what I just drilled. That's what I'm doing. Oh. Washers, washers, washers. Don't forget your washers. Yep. I bought it too short of a bolt, I'll be mad. Then I got pieces of wood stuck up in there, giving me grief. Clean your holes out. If you didn't hear me, and clean your holes out. How about 2.5 inch? I'm going through, I think, 2/4 inch sheets of plywood. I don't know, but I probably needed to buy a 3-inch bolt. So there's that. Anyway, it's working. All right, that's it. It is mounted. It is mounted. Anyhow, that's it. I'm gonna keep it there. I probably won't use it much, but anyway, we'll see you next time. I need to put a headlight on this thing, so that'll be probably my next video, putting a headlight on my Sportster. It's either that or I need to put a new headlight switch, brake light switch on that thing. So haven't done any of those before, so those should be interesting. So, but I gotta get to a Hurley store. Anyhow, we will see you later. Like, subscribe, comment, all the normal stuff.